Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog post page with Elementor. This is an essential skill if you want to display all your blog content in one organized, visually appealing location on your WordPress site. Let's jump straight into it. First, you'll need to access your WordPress website dashboard. Simply log in using your admin credentials. This is your control center where all the magic happens, so make sure you're signed in with the correct account that has full administrative access. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar and locate Pages, click on it, and then select Add Page. This action creates a brand new blank page that you'll transform into your blog post page. It's a fresh canvas ready for customization. Now, in the title box that appears at the top of the page, type in blog or whatever name you'd like to give this page. This title is important because it helps you identify the page later and also influences how it appears in your site's navigation. Choose something clear and relevant to your content. After naming your page, look for the button labeled Edit with Elementor and click it. This is where the real design work begins. Elementor is a powerful page builder that gives you complete visual control over your layout without needing to write any code. The editor will load, presenting you with a drag and drop interface that makes building pages intuitive and straightforward. Inside the Elementor editor, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it to add a new section to your page. Sections are the building blocks of your layout, and they help structure your content neatly. This is where you'll place the widget that displays your blog posts. Next, turn your attention to the left panel where you'll find a list of widgets. Scroll through or search for the Posts widget, then drag it onto the section you just created. This widget is specifically designed to pull in and display your blog posts automatically, giving you control over how they appear on the page. However, at this point, you'll likely encounter a notification indicating that you need to upgrade or pay first before you can access this feature. The Posts widget is typically part of Elementor Pro, the premium version of the plugin. This means you'll need to purchase a license to unlock it and fully utilize its capabilities for displaying dynamic blog content. And that's the process for setting up a blog post page with Elementor. While the Posts widget requires a Pro upgrade, once you have access, you'll be able to create a professional, fully customized blog layout with ease. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.